Alright. I'm going to do an oil change on this guy. He needs it. Sit down here. Get my stuff. I looked this up, that little video that I did last week for this filter, and it says this is the right one, but I'll show you when I pull the other one off. But apparently they don't make the other one, so it's been crossed to this one, which is like smaller. But I noticed that it does line up good on the engine, where this older one back here is a little fatter and it sticks out. So we'll see. I don't have anything happen with my motor. I don't want it restricting the flow. I think it, but you know, whatever. I think the oil on this thing. Yeah. And yes, it's already been warmed up. We were plowing with it, you know, getting the slush off the driveway there, and I'm gonna have to sit on the ground. Oh, it's gonna be wet. I don't have anything else to sit on. Damn it. I won't. What do you do? Oh yeah, my ass is wet now. Hold on. What the hell is that? Oh, there. Let's make sure this is the right way. So I want this one off. Yeah, I'll do it. Pretty sure this is the right size for this. Yeah, should be. Oh shit. Oh, there it goes. I'll tighten this up, bitch, on there. See how much oil I get on my hand. I do it quickly. Got a little on me. It looked darker last time I looked at it, but it's not too bad. Coming out. It's still warm. Should have probably pulled that stick to give it some air. Where is it? Right there. There we go. A little more flow. Oh, look at that. Okay. Well, slide this guy around. Try and catch the oil out of the filter. Where the hell's my other wrench? Alright, here it is. Okay. Come on. Am I getting there? Might have to get around the edge there. Yeah, there it goes. Oh, there's oil in my pants. That's alright. I should have missed the pan. Oh, make it a mess. Come on. Ooh. Get more oil on me. Wonderful. All right. Yeah, so I'll show you with this filter. So I'll show you my concern with the filter, but I guess I saw some videos on YouTube, and there was guys with bigger engines than mine. Mine's like a 22, and they had bigger tractors, and it used that same filter too, which is weird, I think. But, I think it's strange. Let's put that like that. Get it to stay. So, I'll show you this filter here. Now, see the size comparison on this one? It's that one. I mean, how small that one compared to this one. Now, apparently, it says that it works, and I noticed that actually the holes are a little bigger on this little one than that. But I checked it. I took this filter off last night just to check it, and I screwed this one on, and it fits right up to it. I don't know. Hopefully, I don't know. Guess I'm being too anal about it. I don't know. Get the oil off of that, because I won't be able to get it on there. Alright. But, whatever. Shows if I put it on there, it did fit, so it seemed to be right, so, yeah, whatever. Still not any problem. Okay. Put this guy on there. Snug her up with the wrench. Where's my wrench? Okay. Oh, it's going the wrong way. Smart. It's on. No, it wasn't really actually that tight. I just grunted because of, I always do that in videos. Make it seem like it's really, like putting it on. Actually, I got a response out of an old video when I had the L111 and somebody bitched about, not bitched, but, said that, oh, I wrecked that by putting it on. Really? And then I don't realize all the other oil changes after that. No, I did not hurt nothing. So. But, yeah. I like to make sure it ain't gonna leak. See, it does fit on there. I mean, it helps if it better light there, huh? As you can see, it does fit right on there. And it fits right up, because the other one used to overhang that lip a little bit. So, well, we'll see. But she stopped dripping. Alright. I usually dump a little oil in it, leave the thing open to flush any old stuff out. I'll put a little in there, and that's what I do. And people would probably be like, "Oh, I'll just leave it there overnight with it just dripping." Yeah, I don't see why you need to do that. I mean, it's not even, you know, going. So, let's refill it. There's another filler somewhere down there, but I don't use those because I can't reach them. Oh, you know what I forgot to bring with me is a fucking funnel. That's what I forgot. That's what I forgot to do. I got a funnel down here. I know I got funnels up in my shed there. Definitely have funnels up there. I thought I had one down here. It's a little thicker. Yeah, that'll work. What a crummy day to be doing this on. Oh. I got my light here. I went so many years without buying one of these, and this thing is great because you don't have to hang it on nothing. So I probably wouldn't have needed one, but I'll probably miss it most likely. This is gonna be a bad thing. I don't know. Should I hold the camera and do this? Can't handle the pressure. YouTube pressure here. Come on. Drop it in there. Should wash that stuff out. It's dripped a little bit. Oh, man. Can't hold this in one hand and do this. Oh! I missed. Alright. Let that go through it and wash out that stuff. Out the old stuff. Should be coming out. Yeah, some of it's coming out. Oh, it looks alright. It's clean coming out. I might be sort of on the slope, so some stuff might still be staying in there, but yeah, it's coming out clean. At least it looks clean. Uh-oh, what did I do with my bolt? Yeah, I wonder why it's orange. It's yellow or orange. I don't know. Let's get this back in there. Come on. I don't know if I've beat this for 13 months already. I'm going for 14. I don't know if I'm going to edit this thing. I just throw it up the way it is. Alright. I need my... There we are. Let's move this so I don't kick this with my foot and send it flying. Actually, where's the cat? Let's do that too. My luck, I'll kick it and then it'll be oil everywhere. Okay, that's good enough. Alright. What the fuck is it? Bird. Let's pull this out. Sweep that guy off. Yeah, this isn't the way I would do that, but you know, one-handed. So I'm gonna do things weird. Let's see if I can lose the cap. Okay, let's put her in. Or spill it on the side. One of the two. I don't really like this phone being so long. Watch, I'll end up overfilling it. Which isn't the end of the world. You just crack the filter and drain it. Drain some out. So we're at with that. Let's see, can I get it in a little hole? It's all flopping around. No. Yeah, well, still dry. All right. Come on, get back in there. Oh man, my eyes are as dark as good as they used to be. Alright, let's just keep putting stuff in there. I think I'll just sit you guys down. Yeah, I think we'll edit this one part. Alright. Yeah, let me take that out of there. Throw that down there. Man, it drips some oil on the muffler, so that's going to be burning off. It's going that. But, be fine. And we are pretty good here. Then I got it a little overfill, just a tiny bit. If I can turn the light, it's going to be better. Maybe you can see it. It's a little over the line. Should be fine. So, because I was going to fill that filter. And I still can't get it in the hole. Seems to be a personal problem, isn't it? Alright. Okay. Let's cap that guy off. And we'll see if that filter leaks. We don't have any issues, but we're good there. Oh, where's that cap? Get that cap for this. So there. All right. So we're all set to give her a try. As you can see, because there wasn't any oil in that filter, the oil light stayed on for a minute, but it has gone out. So we should have flow. Let's see if we get any leaks. I don't see any. Nope. All right, good. All right, I'll let that settle a little bit. I'm not crazy. I was gonna pull this guy, but maybe I won't do that today. Maybe I won't tape that. It's not really that interesting. It's just the fuel filter. You take that off and just clean the bowl out, the separator, and put it back in. It doesn't have a drain on the bottom, which sucks, but it's no big deal. But I don't think I'm going to do that in this video. I don't think so, because it's just be more of a pain in the ass too. So, okay. Let me see where your oil levels are. How far to go down? Come on, hold still. I went down a little bit. Well, I gotta put you down. Yeah, it's pretty good. I don't know if you can see that. Getting dark. It's a little hard. It's a little. I think it's supposed to be somewhere in the middle, but I kind of leave it up. I think that's gonna be good right there. Might drip a little bit in, but I mean, it should be good. Oh wait, I guess that wraps this up. Fuck, I can't even get the thing in there. All right, I'll see you guys later, and that includes it. See you. Bye.